Hello everyone, welcome to another Blu-ray unboxing video. Today we have the new Best Buy exclusive Steelbook for Akira Kurosawa's movie Ran. I will be giving away a digital copy. If you'd like to win it, just follow these instructions on the screen. And I'd like to give a big thank you to Lionsgate, my good pals, for sending me this. It's been a hot minute since I've done a Blu-ray unboxing, but you know, can always rely on Lionsgate to send me stuff. You guys are awesome. This actually came out last week, last Tuesday, which was 6 days ago. So it came a little bit late, but you can still probably go to Best Buy and find these. I don't think it's going to be selling like hotcakes, because personally, I don't know much about this film. This is a total blind buy for me, or not even a buy, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm familiar with Seven Samurai. I've seen that. I watched that once in film class in high school, but I've never seen any other of Akira Kurosawa's work before. And Ran's supposed to be a really good movie. Like on IMDb, it's got a really good score. It's in the top 250. So, yeah, I mean, I don't doubt that at all. So, I figured, why not? It's got beautiful artwork, and, you know, it's supposed to be a great movie. So I said, sure, you guys can send me this. So here's the press release and whatnot. There's the street date of November 16th. The back is blank. But yeah, if you want to, like, read any of that, feel free. And also, they sent me the movie Wonder, which also came out in the same day. So I'm going to have a video for this as well. Also doing a giveaway if you want to go ahead and enter for that. So the video for this should be up at the same time. But both Steelbooks, like I said, came out on Tuesday. So, yeah, and this one has, like, a loose disc inside, unfortunately. So I hope nothing got scratched. But yeah, let's take the plastic off. And, of course, Lionsgate, they have the slip covers on their Steelbooks, which is always a plus. So let me actually, I don't know about you guys, but I actually keep the stickers, so I don't want to tear it. So yeah, let me get the plastic off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this movie, because like I said, I don't know anything about it, really, like nothing. I just know who the director is and that it's supposed to be really good. So yeah, but you know, I'm looking forward to seeing what the Steelbook looks like. So very nice artwork here on the front. Then there's the spine. Now, I'm not sure what the occasion is. Is this movie celebrating like an anniversary or something, or is it just being released on 4K for the first time? It has Dolby Vision, so that's pretty cool. And what year did this come out? 1985. So it's a bit older. It's almost 3 hours. 2 hours 42. Rated R. So yeah, and then the other side, nothing there. But yeah, I really like the slipcover. It's pretty cool. I like the colors. I like the deep red. And then take it off. Look at that. That's beautiful. So there's a slipcover. And then this is a matte finish. Or not matte, sorry, glossy, which is very nice. I prefer glossy. Very cool. Ran, a film by Akira Kurosawa. Not sure why. My camera's not really focusing on that. See that? I don't know why it's not doing that. Okay, there we go. And then the back. Very, very cool. You know, like I said, I'm totally blind when it comes to this movie. I don't know what's going on with this. But very nice. I'm not sure if this artwork was done by a particular person. Let me read the press release here. Trying to find an artist. I always try to credit the artist when I can. I don't see an artist's name on here. I should read these ahead of time. No, I don't see an artist name, so unfortunately I can't credit any artist. But whoever you are, if you're watching this, you did a great job. So let me open this up and not show the code. And we have a loose disc, like I mentioned. It's the standard Blu-ray. Okay. So it could be worse. It could be the 4K. So this is what it looks like inside. Then there's the 4K disc right there. Looking really cool. And then the Blu-ray is identical, it looks like. Just as Blu-ray instead of 4K. Not sure what this is, obviously. And then the back of the digital copy paper is just blank. Alright, so let's take the discs out and take a look at the interior. Right there. Alright. Again, I have no clue what's going on here, but it's very cool. I like it. Man, the outside is very beautiful. Like, if I were to rate this, I think I'd give it like... I mean, the outside alone, I have to give this like a 9 out of 10. The inside's pretty cool too. It's just I don't know what any of this is. So I'm just going to give it a 9 out of 10. I think that's pretty fair. But yeah, that's it. That's Ran. And again, let me know what you guys think of this movie. I'm going into this totally blind. I'm not sure if I'm going to watch it like immediately because it is like a 3-hour thing. So yeah, at some point I'll get around to it. But yeah. So that's Ran right there, Akira Kurosawa. And are there other movies of his I should check out, by the way? Because I've only seen Seven Samurai, and yeah. But that's it. Thanks for watching this one, and stay tuned for the Wonder video, and that's it. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, quick little note here. I actually did find the artist name. It's a very short name, so that's why I missed it. Zizou, if that's how you pronounce that. That's the artist. So great job, whoever you are. It's beautiful. And yeah, I just thought I'd include your name there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.